Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be servicing this Astra. It's a Vauxhall Astra GTC 1.6 2013. It's on a 2012 plate like later though. Yeah, change air filter, oil, cabin filter, oil filter. That's basically it. Cool enough, looks good. I did take these spark plugs out and the coil pack. Really simple. You just undo this Torx bit, two of them. Just pull this out. There's 4 spark plugs in there. You can get to them very easily if you need to do that. I have taken them all out and had a look. They all look alright. I'm pretty sure the coil pack might be oh no, it says, oh no, it's got Delphi on it, so that should be alright. Delphi. It's not a standard one though, is it? It's not. It's aftermarket, but it's Delphi, so it should be alright. It has got a little misfire, this engine. It's not like terrible, like you can still drive it perfectly fine, but like you try and put your foot down, it'll like kind of choke out a bit. It'll still drive, obviously, you just got to let your foot back off. Not quite sure that is yet. I'm trying to figure it out because it's like no cords, it just says there's a misfire, so I need to try and figure that out still. But yeah, let's start with this. Take the air filter out. You just got some normal screws here, just unscrew all them. I've moved all them screws. I did untighten that, but I don't think there's any point. I'll remove that. You could literally just unscrew them all, lift it up. That's not terrible. Box is full of stuff though, so I'm just gonna pull that bottom box out and empty it. Never heard of them before. Right, got the new filter here. Nice fresh one. Cleaned the box out as well. So just put that on in. Maybe it's not quite squared. I'll make sure you put that in the right way. Now just push this back on, screw it down. Right, that's the air filter all sorted, screwed back in, everything is screwed up. So I'll go move on to the cabin filter now because that should be pretty easy, and then we can do the oil. Okay, the cabin filter is a little tricky. It's you got to remove the glove box, so I don't know if the camera will pick up, but there's a couple 7mm bolts under there you've got to take out. The 7mm bolt here. I think there's one. Yeah, there's one down there. I think might be one on the other side. So I'll quickly take them all out, then I'll show you exactly where they are. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. As 7mm, 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 and then you got to take this little side cubby off, and there's a 7mm there. That's it. I didn't even take the bottom ones off; they're still on. So 4 7mm, and the cabin filter is right there. Alright, there's little tabs either side of the little door. So when it's up, you want to put your hand on the back and just pull on the little tab either side. You can pull it down like that, and then you should be able to just take it right out. Alright, I've got it out. The airflow's down. If you just look inside of it, it is full to the brim. So definitely needed changing. Lots of stuff in it. Alright, let's put the new one in. Doesn't have an airflow, so it shouldn't matter. It should be like that, I would have thought. Yeah, that way. Alright, that's all in. Just shut the little box. Put that connector back in. Push the box back up and screw it in. Right, that's the glove box all back in. Cabin filter sorted. So let's go and change the oil now. Alright, well, I've just jacked the car up over there. I'm not under it, don't worry. It's only on the jack. I'm outside it, it's just my arm under. But yeah, there's the oil filter. So we'll get a socket on that, we'll find out what size it is. And then there's some plugs right there. So we'll see what we need for that. And then we'll drain the oil out and fill it with some nice new oil. Put a new filter in it. Alright, so oil filter housing. That is a 24mm socket. And the sump plug is a T45. Yeah, the T45. So I'm going to start by removing the oil filter housing, drain that. Might need a little extension. Yeah, I think I need a little extension. Alright, I've loosened both of them, so this one's been drained a little bit. There we go. Very brown oil. If it hasn't been changed in a minute. I'll just let that drain off a second. There we go. Right, I'll leave that to drain. Then we can put the sump plug back in, new filter back on, fill it with some oil. Right, just removing the old O-ring. And then got a new filter here, new O-ring. Alright, got the new filter and O-ring. Just gonna screw it back on. Wait, that oil's still draining, so still need to wait for that to drain. Just gonna tighten this up now. Alright, so oil filter's on, sump plug is on. I can zoom into it. Sump plug on. I've cleaned it all up with a bit of brake cleaner. Got the old oil here. Right, I've put about 3.8 litres in it. Apparently it takes 4.5. I've just checked the dipstick and it's maxed, but obviously the oil filter needs to be filled up and stuff as well, so I'll quickly run it for about 30 seconds to a minute, knock it off, let it settle down, check it again. If it needs more, add it, and just keep doing that till it's spot on. Right, so I filled it with oil. I need a little top up again, so I obviously started it, let it run for a minute, came back, checked the dipstick, and it was a little low, so I've topped it up, but it's spot on now. So yeah, air filter done, cabin filter done, oil filter and oil, and that's the how to service 1.6 Astra. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped, and see you next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.